From Daily Forex, this is Chris Lewis. I'm looking at Bitcoin for the 27th, and you can see we rallied a little bit, about 2.6%. But really, this is a rudderless market. This is a market that simply has nowhere to be. There's a couple things that we can pay attention to. It's 6,000. It's obviously been very supportive. There is this downtrend line that has kept the market in a downtrend for quite some time. But at this point, I'm starting to wonder whether or not we aren't just going to drift sideways through it. There just seems to be no catalyst one way or the other for markets to move right now. And quite frankly, I think at this point, most retail traders who got involved, unfortunately, got involved at very lofty levels. And one thing that people seem to forget is that if you buy something at, say, $18,000 and it's dropped to 6,000 a couple times and it's just a little bit above 6,000, you're worried about making yourself whole. You're not looking to add to that position, at least not if you have any idea on how trading works. So at this point, it's going to need some type of major catalyst. I just don't see it coming. There's been a lot of talk here in America about the ETFs that could lift it, but because it allows institutions to get involved a little easier. But really, at this point, I don't know that there's the demand. I could be wrong, but there's a lot of different ways to look at this. There's a lot of reasons why it could go up. This could go to 20,000 next year. It could go to zero next year, quite frankly. So this is a very small part of your portfolio, hopefully. But unfortunately, my email box gets tagged with people asking me what to do about their Bitcoin that they bought at 18,000, put half their life savings in. I've heard more than one story like that. Once you've lost that much of your life savings, you're done. There isn't a whole lot you can do. You better pray that it works. Otherwise, that's a hole you'll never dig out of. So at this point, I think what we're looking at is a situation where you continue to sell the rallies, at least until you can break down below 6,000, which opens the door to 5,000, or if we can break above the downtrend line. Right now, I just don't see any catalyst for this market to move more than a little bit here and there and just continue to sell the rallies in a bit of a scalping action.